Lunar Glamping presents our safari tent lineup: Aurora, Equinox, Solstice, Zenith, and our biggest safari tent, the Eclipse. The Eclipse safari tent offers 34 feet of length and over 27 feet of width, giving you the space to design without limits. Now, let's take a look inside. A fully equipped kitchen corner is ready to use. The integrated AC system lets you create the perfect climate. The Eclipse is large enough to accommodate a full bathroom, turning the tent into a complete living environment. With the addition of Lunar's insulation, you can extend the use of the safari tent into multiple seasons. Built with etched aluminum framework and reinforced steel connectors, Eclipse is engineered for durability in all weather conditions. Automated privacy blinds give you complete control over your environment, instantly creating a secluded, intimate space. This is more than a tent. It's your year-round getaway. Your space with limitless possibilities. The Eclipse Safari Tent by Lunar Glamping.